Welcome all students. Today I am going to deliver CRM framework. CRM framework in competitive markets even satisfied customer switch or defect to competitive offers since loyal customers are more profitable for any organization. There is a need to identify better predictors of loyalty, indicators of relationship strength like trust, satisfaction, commitment or better predictors of loyalty, and by including this in customer satisfaction surveys, managers can modify service delivery with a focus on customer loyalty. So generally the CRM framework purely focused on three parameters. Number one was trust, number two was satisfaction, number three was commitment. If trust is there, leads to satisfaction, satisfaction leads to commitment. Ultimately, they are more loyal to the organization, they are more profitable to the organization. Let's see one by one. The CRM framework, the relationship stages. Already the previous class I told about the ladder of loyalty. Based on the ladder of loyalty, prospect leads to customer or purchase leads to client leads to supporter leads to advocate, advocate leads to partner. Psychological steps are switching, satisfaction, trust, commitment, loyalty. So these are the parameters. Based on this, suppose for example switching. Ultimately this side relationship stage, prospect and customers are there. This is the initiation period. So normally in the initial periods the customer switching is more and more will be there. So because of new offerings, because of differentiation, because of the affordability, lot of psychological reasons are there. And then the next will be that if the psychological steps will be a satisfaction, ultimately it leads to the majority, prospects leads to customer and client will be supporting by 25%. So ultimately there the development is there slowly. Then the trust is there. So where the fully development, so the prospects leads to customer, leads to client, leads to supporter. So ultimately the customer is a supporter for product and service on behalf of the company because of satisfied, and then the trust will be there. So ultimately this relationship development stage is there. Then the commitment will be there under this. So the customer leads to client, leads to supporter, leads to advocate, leads to partner. So the development as well as the maintenance and enhancement. Here the development stage is there. They have a good relationship with the satisfaction, trust and commitment. Ultimately the repair, post purchase behavior, repair and maintenance also doing well. And then the last is loyalty. It's purely based on the development phase and maintenance and enhancement. So normally the blank data, the blank line shows the minor role, and then the shaded black and light sky blue makes the majority role. So psychological steps across the relationship stage. So CRM framework, already I discussed more about on the graph. Let's see one by one. Number one is switching. Switching is very common in the initial stages of a relationship process. Initial interactions and experience determine whether the customer is willing to continue or not. And then in cellular industry, the first 2 weeks were more crucial. In the healthy fitness industry, clubs provide personal trainer when the customer signs up. This is to encourage the customer to start using the service. Subsequently, the customer is signed up for an extended period of time. This prevents switching at least in the short term. So generally, switching is quite common. The initial stage, especially the cellular industries, the service providers. Let us take a Airtel service, let us take Jio, let us take a Idea, let us take BSNL. So the customer churn rate will be very frequent. So especially in the prepaid, because postpaid will be normally they will have a quite customers also that will be very less when compared to the prepaid customer, because due to value added service switching is over more and more. So the first week, first 2 weeks is more crucial. Switching is more happens, depends on any other issue will be there, package or network or signal, some other issues. And then for the same other example also have fitness centers. So if the fitness center will be giving a personal trainer, then they will extend their period by the customers. Then satisfaction. How the satisfaction comes? So the customer grievance, every organization has to reply, has to take a necessary steps for the grievance. Customer property, timely supply, special requirement of customer, customer feedback, customer focus. Satisfaction is a complex emotion which depends on the offer characteristics, expectations, usage, situation. Dealing one customer, satisfying one customer, it is a difficult thing because customers may have a different psychological feelings about a product, about a design, about a color, about the features. So the characters may vary from person to person. Expectation also same, usage also. And then customers are satisfied when the performance of the product or service matches or exceeds the expectation. So every company has to striving for meet the customer expectations or exceeds the customer expectation to delight. Especially all the service organizations, they are delighting the customers. Satisfaction is an important intermediate steps in relationship building process, and many of the satisfied customers will become clients. See the repeated purchase. If they are satisfied, they keep on repeated purchasing the products or service, utilizing the services. CRM framework trust, the cycle of trust, openness to trust, willingness to delegate, shared decision, valued, feelings are valued, sense of involvement. Satisfaction over multiple interaction leads to a stage where the customer begins to have faith in the offerings and its consistency in performance. Trust is defined as the willingness to rely on an exchange partner in which one has confidence. So the main thing, they have to create a confidence. The concept of trust is common among marketers in the packaged good industries, which depends on trust to build brand loyalty. Normally, for example, packaged goods. Suppose groundnut, when we are exporting to Malaysia or Singapore or Sri Lanka, or it may be a Middle East country. The packaged goods, especially the ingredients of the groundnut, the moisture content from country to country, it may be vary. For Sri Lanka, the moisture content they need 30%. For Middle East, for example, they need a 70% moisture content. In Malaysia, for example, they need 50%. See, all the percentage I told approximately. Then they are satisfied. Then they can have a relationship from you for a long time. So Neil Fitzgerald, chairman of Unilever, suggested that in order to function, all human society rely on existence of trust. Existence of trust is more and more important. For example, T equal to R plus D. T stands for trust, R stands for reliability, D stands for delight. Good brand invites trust, earn trust, honor trust, reward trust. Best example, Unilever, Tata, Procter & Gamble, Colgate Palmolive. Good brands got their reputation with their lives, and if by accident they transgress, they apologize with grace and true humanity quickly. ITC, best example. Then for example, let us take a Maggie. Lead content. Finally, they will be change the formulas. Now the Maggie again reposition their brands in the market. CRM framework commitment. Commitment to a relationship is defined as an enduring desire to maintain a valued relationship. Therefore, commitment exists only when the relationship is considered important. For example, Volvo. The tagline of Volvo is safety. There are a lot of many cars are available in the market, but the road safety, when they are going for a high speed, they are not able to control the road grip or fast, especially the mini cars. This is the drawback of the mini cars because of Indian roads. Whatever they promised that failed, more accidents may happen. But in Volvo, lot of facilities are there. The word safety makes more confidence. People are more confident with the Volvo. Trust and commitments are key variables because they encourage marketers to work at preserving the relationship investment with partners and clients. It can be operational using two dimensions of number one is attitude towards interacting with each other. Number two, the formation of bonds. The bonds may be a legal, planning, knowledge, social, technical, structural, and nature. So already the levels of bondages, everything explained in the previous sessions. So the last is loyalty is not a simple, loyalty. Loyalty is not simply repeat buying. Loyalty includes purchase intention, complaining and referral behavior, warm, that is word of mouth. In terms of measurement of loyalty, typical question would refer to intention regarding next purchase. What is the intention for the next purchase? What is the main purpose? What the product or service satisfies the customer? What the benefit they got from the product or service? The number and intensity of complaint, how many complaints are there, how frequently the complaints are there, how frequently the complaints are the grievance and redress for the customers. Tendency to talk about the supply to the other clients. Degree of desire to share positive experience. Through warmth only it was happened, positivity, confidence, trust, and then they are the opinion leaders for the product and service. Conclusion, it must be kept in mind that all buyers, seller relationship do not necessarily go through sequentially. In income cases, client may exhibit a lot of loyalty related behavior when they are satisfied with the performance over multiple interactions. Generally, for example, depends on the income also. Some people are persistent with one particular brand, even though they are not affordable with that particular price. But even though, because now COVID, most of the peoples are not getting the job very proper. Downsizing the organization makes to the economic depressions, psychological depressions, financial depressions, but they are used to purchase the branded products because of loyalty, even though they are not affordable at this time also. So the frequency will be minimized. but they are keep on purchasing. Thank you.